كاب 1986 سجى حاجة 4 عامات 4 عامات قام هيرة تمالك حدش نقدر تمهيرة بزح جزء بزعبة قالت زايمنا لنا تي 4 شو عتنشح زبون قالت ناي قام إنجليز كم زيد لنا ناي بيولوجي طرح ديكشنري مولالو ناي كيمستري ناي فيزيكس نبله زخول زي أمال تفكرنا لنا زاد لنا واحد مهان 3 شح مهان بزح جزء جلسنا فجأة شحات مهرجان زاريبهم له تمالكن كلتها ميت قالت أهول مهان الديلي كوميونيكيشن حنت ديالوجس معكم حنت زرب نويح زربي نويح علالي أبتاع علال تتعاملون قالت كل أنت تسويان كلتها ميت راح هنا سلازتهم بيزك وانقوا كم دلنا هنا حسبنا هنقال كل زاد الناس أزدي واحد قالت مهانو بنصر فلت كلاماتي فكلتها ميت قالت أبحر جت غير رأيكم الله رايون كابزي عندي تفلتوا على الله ده فيديو دوابيلكم رايون دحيرة لك بزن قالت سين ترى كابزن قالت سين كي وصو زقبروا نويح زرب نويح علال اسمعكم أبتاع علال بزن كلتها ميت قالت سين بزح ديسكاس جرام بزح نقدر تمايتهم قال نيتهم بقى زن كلتها ميت قالت زن تفلتوا قالت كابزي عندي تفلتوا أنت لين حدا خلته غلط سنكفتني اوكي سنهيله جن زين فلتكم كم تاساتهم دزار وهزار تولدو communication صبوا أنا هنزاركم كلسي بتحوالات كم ديكونه بت basic قالت غيرنا sentence structures flight chunks of sentence below لكن دي this is a boy كم دي some of the boys لك عمناي روبوت كابتعم قالك حوس دلوعتها some of the boys هيك سامي كهذا هلاس some of the boys some of the girls some of the cars حدا لقوا كل شيء بحدث مز إذا بحدث مز خمس عين حركات تصنيعها لكن دي some of the اوكي الجبايك خطولة خيرك دقائق كان رأي فراكتير كيا بوسون قالت بأزيو واحد قالت كم دلائك حساب كم تقال تمهيري حالة تمهيري بإنجلش راح مهاري الدليل أب أونلاين أوكي نوع قبل إحنا قاري سيرش جيره زابيلي جاره هيبه لازم قالت زين رايون دحيرها بزن قالت زين استسرحة dialogue conversations معكم أبزن قالت زين نار بعد يتفلتون كل واحد هذا نعنون discuss قبرينا حدا بحدا بقى يحكي مال تلاني نخلن discuss قبرينا راح قالت ترجمان ده يكون أطعمه قال لي المثل قال كل شيء عندك كمان sure أبكتها سلسلة وثاقن ببين عين الترجم حيزو قرب تريهم لذي مجمرة فيديو لكم زي قالت رايون كلت تميت قالتين أوكي حجي من البات قال على ديت فلتون كلها تنقر explain مقبرد اللي مقلق زدلين ويكلتها ببين ترجم زلون وين spelling سجام زلون مناي silent letter زلون قالت بقى يحمل تقبلكم نعم discuss قبلنا
list. I want to go through the words we highlighted. These are the ones people get wrong most often, either because the pronunciation is surprising or because the word means something slightly different from what you might expect.
Okay, حجتنا سجمت خنا قالت زنب قيح ملكة كيران دلوقتي تبلالا زنب قيح ملكة كيران دلوقتي حجي حدا بحركة كل سنة نعم سمعنا ثم مجلس سمعنا مجمرة من هاتو قال قالت ندافلت كي خلها جن effectively أمن تام تكملوا أبكل تشتوتها ببينو منفش ببينو عينات حسب مجلس تكملون أزيانة سيرة كلسنا مجمرة أنا ثم مجلس سمعنا أمون قدون دابلخا أنا زيادة من بهذا اللي بتقولينه كبرها مفتني
most often, either because the pronunciation is surprising or because the word means something slightly different from what you might expect.
ويت قالت أدامسو فليس لازبل ويكا قالت ندفلت كياجن كابتسخات فلتو فليس بالخالق ترجم حيزو زي ما سألوا فهمون سلازلو نزهرينا أفضل.
Let's start with pronunciation. These are the words where the spelling gives you no warning about how they actually sound. Honestly.
جاب زين السعبة قالت تي spelling يجاجي كايت spelling سي أي حق زكاني تبغي كاتم بن لازم نزين على الليوان.
The H at the start is silent. You say honestly, not honestly. If you pronounce the H, it sounds unnatural to a native speaker. You will hear Sarah say this in the conversation. Honestly, I have been thinking about it for...
Honestly, I have been thinking for almost a year. Honest, كنوع مالتيو نسو. Honestly, أبغن exactly خمسة خلف طريقة ترجم ده يكونه. Honestly, حق المزراب إلى الجمرة لا. كمان من يكون قوي. لذي بهم ملكة تكون لهم خلو مرأي كدلي.
Almost a year. Sure, this does not sound like sure. It sounds like sure. Sure. One syllable. Are you sure? I'm sure. This is how I learned Lithuanian. Whole. W is silent. It sounds exactly like whole. The whole thing. The whole life.
كاله أدام سوز سجمنا فلاي مجمرة هترهيب كتقال W تجمر كنت W يتدمسان هول تبل مش لما تكاو قليل مثل جن مجمرة إنزري أسب بتا W كجمر ودبل دمسخ جبر قد النتي إزاي يتحدى زي سجمنا هنزرب كلنا زي نتصور كبرت أنه عنقنا مالتي.
There's no W sound at all. Serious. 3 syllables. Serious. Some learners compress it down to 2 syllables. Slow it down. Serious. That sounds serious. Yeah, this is the informal version of yes.
That sounds serious. Next, yeah. زي حاجة spelling كاي. مجمرين زراعة أسد. Yeah. اللي ينباني. Y-E-A-H. Yeah.
And native speakers use it constantly. It sounds like yeah, not yeah. Short and fast. You will hear it in the conversation right at the start. Right and wrong. Both have silent W, just like whole. Right sounds like right. Wrong sounds like wrong. In this conversation, Daniel asks Sarah, have you written anything down? The W is complete.
Have you written anything down? Written. W على مجمرة كنا يدمسني. هذين أب W ومجمرة أتيو زي دمس على بزح لزلا نزي قنو مش هذا اللي.
Completely silent. Once. I will let you know once I talk to them. Now, the ones where the person.
I will let you know once I talk to them. I will let you know once I talk to them. هجي نزيات قلت لنا مجمرة. Once تايماتي. حنسا ماتي. How often do you go to church? I go to church once a week. حنسا أبصون. أبزا سنتنس دياجن تا once تقول تتفلتا once a week once a year نعمل عندك كمالا أبزا كل ترمو هيزالا هجي نزي مش نعزل لنا نزي تسعينيا بدن وصلنا كل تميت قالات حسابنا الحمد لله نقلت خدماتي تخكل كنت كملو تجميرنا I go to the church once a week every Sunday زي حجي حنساب صومنا okay أبزا حجي بلتا سنتنس جن it's slightly different okay I will let you know once I talk to them هجي بزي خمزي حنساب صومون حنساب وحين عندكون كم يكون عندنا ترجمة I will let you know once I talk to them. I will let you know كنا قرأ كأي أماتنا يكون كفلتك I will let you know كفلتك معس once I talk to them نعاتهم مش تزاربكم أبزات غني حجنا once نتام مش تزاربكم كفلتك I will let you know once I talk to them. I will let you know once I talk to them مش تزاربكم نعاتهم كفلتك لازم تا once كم تنحن فوق ترجمة هذا الله قال بقى ترجمنا I will let you know أنا let you know ترجموهن تعمل سجامي هجي as a group as a chunk كم chunks بالناب بجروب I will let you know كفتك ما تمهانو once I talk to them مش تزاربكم هنسا نعاتهم مش تزاربكم أيقونن once I talk to them مش نقركم مش تزاربكم okay once I talk to him مش تزاربكم once I finish my work I will come صراحة مش وداو هجي once كم تحنسا أصلا ذي كونه once I finish my work صراحة مش وداو نتام مس بنتينيا تكالا لذي بخامد ملك تسمع عن القاسيم بأزيو حركات chunks نسعنا نتوان قان دارجامنا conversation دارجامنا بقان قان قليل لك حمتم جيزان كنزار مخينا أشحت كلات هاي اللي نايمات كلات سبوي زيادة حساب كاتجلس بلا adjectives أبريكا كاتجلس بزنس كاتجلس جن بزمو سنات كلات ديامون حسابنا الحمد لله هنا كنجلس كم نخل هجينا تدايلوك رينا تدايلوك كلنا سمعنا نوح على شعبا أقدر تسوق داي جن بخلت نيجي تقالات رح.
Let's get into the conversation. We are going to go through this conversation in 2 passes. The first time, just listen.
هجينا تا ديالوج نسمعها. نوعها جن بخلت نيجي تقالات رح كم زجيرهم كم دلهم حسابهم قلتون الزرارون.
Sarah is calling her friend Daniel. She has made a big decision about her job and she needs to tell someone.
سارة هذا السنة جيرة بتاع سرحة. زخام السبت على الريم مش دانيال تزارعيبا لازم مش دانيال زكبرت علال سون سلام تاعتك الفلا زي حياة تحتت يدخل على زي بتنك تميت غلط اسمع
Daniel is not sure it's a good idea. Just listen, follow the story, get familiar with what Sarah says and how she says it. Let's start.
Daniel, hey, do you have a moment?
Yeah, of course. What is it?
I need to tell you something. I have been thinking about it for a long time, and I finally decided.
Okay, that sounds serious. What is it?
I am leaving my job.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, I am done. I gave them my answer this morning.
You gave them your answer this morning, and you did not tell anyone first?
I told myself every day for a long time. That was enough.
Okay, How long have you been at this job?
4 years since I came back.
4 years, and you never said anything was wrong.
I told myself it would get better, that I just needed more time.
But it did not get better.
No. At some point I said, this is not going to change. I need to be the one to move.
Section 2. Sarah has just dropped the news. Now Daniel wants answers.
Are you serious? Sarah, when did you decide this?
A few weeks ago. But honestly, I have been thinking about it for almost a year.
A year? Why didn't you say something?
Because I wasn't ready to talk about it. I needed to be sure first.
And you are sure now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I am trying to understand. What is your plan? What about money?
I have been saving. Not a lot, but enough to give myself some time.
How much time?
Maybe 6 months. Maybe a little more.
Have you thought about what happens if 6 months is not enough?
Yes. Then I find work again. But I am not going to decide that now.
You sound ready.
I have been thinking about it every day for a long time. I know what I want to do.
This is a big thing, Sarah.
I know.
Does anyone at work know yet?
My manager knows. We had a long talk last week.
How did that go?
Better than I thought. She said she understood. That was hard to hear, actually.
Why hard?
Because I thought she would try to talk me out of it. But she did not. She said, if this is what you need, then go.
That sounds like someone good to work for.
She is. Honestly, I did not think it would feel that way.
Section 3. Daniel is still not convinced. Sarah tells him the real reason.
6 months is not a lot, Sarah.
Daniel, listen. I know 6 months is not a lot. But I cannot stay in a place where I feel like I am wasting my time. Every morning I wake up and think, is this really what I want to do with my life?
I didn't know you felt that way.
I should have told you sooner. I'm sorry.
Why did you not say something? Even just that you are not okay?
Because I did not want to worry you. And I did not know how to say it yet.
You should always tell me things like this.
I know that now.
Don't be sorry. So, what do you want to do instead?
I want to build something of my own. I have an idea. It is small right now, but it is real. I would rather try and fail than spend another year wondering what would have happened.
That sounds like you.
What does that mean?
It means you have always known what you want, even when it makes everyone around you nervous.
Section 4. Daniel starts to come around, but he still has questions.
It means I know you, and I know that when you decide something, you have thought about it more than anyone else would. But Sarah, what is the idea? You said you have one. What is it?
It is a service for people who are moving to a new country, helping them with the things no one tells you about. The real things, not just the paperwork.
Okay, that is specific. Have you told anyone else about this?
A few people. They think it is good.
And what happens after 6 months if it is not working yet?
Then I look for work again. I am not saying this will work. I am saying I need to find out.
You sound calm about this.
I have been thinking about it for a long time, Daniel. The calm came later. At first, I was terrified.
And now?
Now I am ready. Or close enough.
Have you written anything down? A real plan?
Yes, I have something. It is not perfect, but it is a start.
Can I see it?
Of course. I would really like that.
Show me when you are ready.
I will. Maybe next week.
And what do you need from me right now? Not later. Right now.
Just this. To talk it out with someone who knows me.
You have that.
I know. That is why you are the first person I call.
Last section. How does it end?
So, are you saying you support me? Or are you still worried?
I am always going to worry a little. That is just how I am.
Daniel.
Yes, I support you. I just needed to hear the whole thing.
That is why I called you first.
Your family doesn't know yet?
I will tell them when I am ready.
Okay, take your time.
I will let you know once I talk to them.
Same, I am here.
Just stay open. I need that from you.
Fair enough. So what happens now?
Now I figure it out. One day at a time.
We will figure it out together.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I am here if you need anything.
Thank you, Daniel. This conversation helped more than you know.
Go, you have work to do.
I guess I do. Talk soon.
Talk soon.
اوكي ስለዚ ኣዝዩ ነዊሕ ዝረረብ እዩ ብዛዕባ ሓደ ጉዳይ ስራሕ ትክርፎ ደልያ ስለምንታይ ትክርፎ ላ ዕላል ነይሩ ምክሪ ደልያ ኣዝዩ ነዊሕ ዕላል እዚ ኩሉ ዕላል ግን ብ200 ቃላት ብትፈልጥዎን 200 ቃላት ሕጂ ነተን ቃላት ትፈልጥዎን ከምዛናቶም ትዛረቡ ዶ እሱ ታሕቶ ከመይ ጌርና ተን ቃላት ጥቆምለን ኩለን ተፈይጥናን ንምንታይ ኸም ደይ ንዛረብ ኢልኩም ክትሓስቡ ሞ በዘን ቃላት እዚአን ትናሃቶም ሰንተስ እንዳደገምኩም ሻዶዊንግ ይባሃል ነፍስ ወከፍ ዝርርብ ዳንኤል ድብሎን ሳራት ብሎን እንዳሰማዕኩም እንዳደገምኩም ተመለክኩሞ ናይ ምዝራዓምኩም ክትኣምኑ ካብ ትኽእሉ እንዳዕሊ رؤي لو تخمسي بزي ترتر see you in the next video